Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft Teams, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Microsoft Teams, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in teams.microsoft.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Microsoft Teams login page. If you already have a Microsoft account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account in the provided field. Click the Next button to proceed. Now, input your password and click Sign In. If you do not have a Microsoft account, select the Create One option. On the new page, enter your email address to start the registration process. Follow the prompts to set up your account by creating a password. Fill in your details, such as your name and any other required information. Once all information is entered, click on the Next button. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email. Open the email and follow the link provided to verify your account. After verifying, return to the Teams login page. Now input your credentials once again and click Sign In. Once logged in, you may be prompted to download the Teams application for your device. Follow the instructions to download and install the application if prompted. If you prefer using the web version, continue without downloading. You will now be taken to your Microsoft Teams dashboard. Explore the features and set up your profile as needed. Congratulations! You have successfully registered with Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.